Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to talk about some further optimizations that I often like to do within the products area. So two of the things we're going to do in this lesson is quite often I like to set my sort, then not let people actually change it. Okay, it's nice that you can, but it looks kind of horrible at first when it comes into play. Now, when you have a lot of products in place, it may help out because you can sort by various things. But when you only have a couple of them, you don't necessarily want this sort functionality in there. The other thing I like to do is I like to change the way this whole search stuff is looking. Okay, just change the color of the button and this thing here so that we can actually make the site look a little more organized, a little more professional. Okay, so we're going to flip over to here and we're going to go to WooCommerce. Sorry, we're not in there. We're going to go to Appearance, Customize. And what you're going to see is that inside of here, there's actually has been added in a WooCommerce section in here. Okay, so if we click on here and we go to Product Catalog, it's going to say Show Products, Show Categories and Products. If you've only got a couple, so you just show the products. If you had a bunch, you could show both. Okay, which would be like this. It'll look like this, where you've got the categories and you've got this. Most times I just leave it here. Now, on the category display, it says show products, show categories, so on and so forth. You don't have to change any of that. Where I change things, if I've only got a couple of products in my site, which is often the case when you first start, I'll set up my actual sort functionality. So if I want to do this, it's custom ordering plus name, but if I want to show the most recent ones and leave that where it is, then I will simply set it to there. Then in this case, we've only got two of them. Okay, so we're going to say two products per row. So then we've got it set up so they can see the products right away and how they look. Okay, so now as a general rule, I never start off a website without any less than 4 products, which is why I like affiliate products to be added in, because if I've only got one, then it doesn't look very good if it's like this. So what I'm going to do now that we've got this and we've got our sort set up, the next thing we want to do is we want to change the coloration of the search button here. That's pretty simple. We just simply go back, we go to colors, we go to buttons, and we say that we want the background of that to be this. Okay, so now we've got that in place. So we're going to publish this first of all. So now that it's been published, if we go back and we refresh our website, we're going to see that the actual sort is sorted by popularity and that the button has changed. Okay, now I want to hide this right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the drop down, I'm going to inspect the element, and I'm going to go and look at what the actual class name of it is. Okay, so the class name is WooCommerce Ordering. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is what I did was I double clicked on it and then I copied it, Control C, or you can go like this, copy. Okay, then I'm going to go back into here. I'm going to scroll back and I'm going to go down where it says additional CSS. Okay, and inside of here I'm going to go a dot, paste, and I'm going to put in the double brackets, curly brackets, and then I'm going to type in display, hit enter, colon, none. Okay, and then I'm going to publish it. And what you're going to see now is that when we come back over here, it's now gone. The sort function is now gone. So you have set up the coloration of your button, you've defined the amount of products you want to display, and you have hidden the actual sort functionality. So that's how you take care of further optimizations and styling within your products categories, within your product screen, sorry. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will talk to you in the next.